Hello all, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. In this session, I will share Saksham online test questions for the challenge purpose. So if you have answers, so post on the comment box and let's we discuss about step-by-step process in this session. So first fill your details with your register details. Then after click on the online mock test. Then click on the Saksham 2021 mock test. It is practice test. Then wait for some time. It is reporting time. You have 29 minutes. Then after automatically click on for login for examination. So our time is enabled. Click on login for examination. We have 10 minutes time. Before going to examination, read all instructions carefully. So for the purpose of what it is related to examination. In this session, I will share all questions from first question to 40. So this all related to our examination. So must you take challenge. If you have answers, please share on the comment box. And also, if you have any doubt related to questions, so I will explain in next video. So with answers, wait for that. So main instructions related to this examination. First, you must download this application through the Play Store or available link under description. Then after open this application, then fill your details. Click on the login and enter your details. If you are forget password, so click on the forgot option. Then automatically receive to OTP your registered mobile number. Use that one for the reset your password. So now we don't have time to once you log in this examination, or we don't have any opportunities to open new tab. If you are open another tab, they are not accepted your exam like this. So don't open another tab at the time of the online examination. So must carefully. So don't try to search these questions in online examination. So time is counting and your screen recorder is also enabled. So that's why reason you don't try to search this question answers in Google or any other browser. So every time is counting and our exam timing is 18 minutes just. We have 40 questions. It is short time to exam. So that's why reason don't waste your time. And we have in this session negative marks also. So don't repeat it or don't take as a wrong decisions. So if you have full answers, just submit correct answers only. So don't go to the all answers filling. So especially in this session, I will share questions only. In our next session, I will share questions with answers. Wait for that. So present we are enabled to examination. So just wait for 11 seconds, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Just open our examination with 0 seconds. So now it is our first question. So questions are like this. So in this question, they are asking in arithmetic and reasoning questions. So time and work. Then if you have answers, so click on answer option. Then go to the save and submit. So in this question, we answer expected is 28. And also now coming to synonyms, antonyms, like this all related questions is asking in this session. So must read all questions. If you know answer, share on comments. If you have doubts related to these questions, post also comment section. So I will clarify that. Then full session is like this. So full session is observed especially. So remember one thing, we have less time for this session. We have 40 questions and time is 18 minutes just. So that's why reason you take carefully and observe every question within short time. So if you know answer, please share on the comment box. And also if you have any doubts related to same questions, ask on comment section. I will clarify that. And try to make a 18 minutes for this session and solve all questions within time. Just to take 18 minutes for this session. So one of the practice like this. Who are not attended yesterday examination, so try to this session with 18 minutes only. So we have best options to try to all understand this examination. So the National Girls Child Day is observed on dash year. So if you know this answer, so post on the comment section. And also if you have doubts related to this question, post on the comment section. I will clarify both. So if you are make answers, post on the comment section. And also if you have any doubt related to this session, post on the comment section. I will clarify that within time. So must understand every question in time. Why? Because we have less span of time. It is just 18 minutes for 40 questions. So we don't have time to back and change the answers. Just only one time for save and next. And also if you have complete this session, then click on the submit option. So if you have no time to submit option, just leave it. Automatically it is saved after completion of session. So every question is read carefully. Why? Because we have less time. we don't have chance to exit this examination once we are logging. And after completion of the exam, must click on the submit option. If you don't have time, don't need to click on submit, it is automatically submit. This session any update I will share with the community post, so please follow that for more updates. So now our online test preview is completed. If you have any doubts related to this session, post on the comment section. And also if you have any answer is confused, share with us. And also if you are like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more related videos and share with your friends. And all the best all.